Hi, welcome to a SolidEdge 2022 video tutorial. I want to do the next part for the 7-cylinder radial engine, the Piston. Now let's have a look at the drawing. So here's the drawing, and you could make a screenshot and then follow this exercise step by step if you want. So let's have fun with SolidEdge. In order to make it a little bit more interesting, I want to use two bodies. So let's start with a sketch on the front plane, and that might look something like that. Let's align those, because I tried to snap and that didn't work, so let's go for collinear. So this one and that one should be collinear, and this one and that one as well. Same applies here, this one and that one, this one and that one, and this one and that one. Now let's add a dimension here, and this should be 62. That distance might be 66. No, that's too much, so let's start up here. So this would be 6 millimeter. Next one would be 8 millimeter. Next one would be 10. Next one would be 12. Then it would be 17, and that one would be 20, and altogether we have 66. Now one is missing, so that distance here should be 60. Great. Let's add one constraint, a coincidence between this point and that point here. Close that sketch, finish. Let's go for a revolve. That would be the sketch, except that would be the axis, and let's go for 360 degrees. Finish, cancel this out, hide that sketch. Now I need a sketch on the top plane. I could, yes, let's go for this one here. That would be a circle, and the diameter would be 112. Close that sketch, finish, cancel this out. Let's add a new body, confirm, and make an extrude with that sketch here, and the distance, it should be a one-sided extent, and that should be 15. Confirm the direction, finish, cancel this out. Let's hide the first body. Make this the active one, and I need another sketch on that plane here. And what do we have? No slot. Yeah, so let's go for a circle, another circle, and this should be 50. This should be 50. I could add a construction line here just in case. So that should be for construction. And Let's add 2 lines like that. And let's go for tangency. So this should be tangent. Yes, it is, because it's already vertical aligned. Same here. Oh, nice. How did this happen? That's interesting. Moved it up there. That's crazy. So let's undo this. Oh, that's not aligned. That's the problem. So let's make this vertical aligned, and then we should have no problem. Right. Now let's go for a trim. So this should be removed. This should be removed. That should be removed. This one here, that one, this small one, and that small one. Okay, now let's add one more constraint. So this point should be aligned with that midpoint. And that distance here should be 55. Close that sketch, make another extrude. Now with this sketch, accept, and this should be 60 millimeter. Confirm, finish, cancel this out. Now I need a sketch on the right plane. This will be a circle. Diameter should be 15. The distance between this point here and that center point should be 33. And of course this point here and that one here should be aligned. Yeah, aligned vertical. Maybe move it a little bit over here. Try once again. So this here should be aligned like that. Close that sketch. Finish, cancel this out, make another extrude, make it symmetric. Accept, go for symmetric, extend, and it should be 140. Finish, cancel this out. Let's bring back that body, make it active, and now go for subtract. I want to subtract from this target. Accept this tool. Accept, finish, cancel this out, hide the second body, and hide the sketches, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.